It's time, Adventure Nation. It's time to get this show on the road. It's time to head down to Quartzsite. It's time for season 4, and it's time for the Motorhome Experiment. So this is it, Lori. Next chapter.
We already. Oh well, a firework.
Yeah.
Somebody's celebrating
wow.
for us
celebrating.
because
Yeah.
we actually sold the business. So it's like it's done. Like we already handled everything. Up until 2 days we still have a business. Now we don't.
Yep.
And the only thing, our only tie in Vegas is a tiny teeny storage that we have, a 4x5, and that's about it.
Yeah. Just a little bit of paperwork, kind of a little bit of
sentimental value.
Value stuff. Yeah.
Anyway.
My snowboard is sentimental value. Yeah, it's kind of is.
But it's time to go.
Yeah, so let's use this perfect day that we picked to head down the road. As you can see here, everything's wet. It's sprinkling, but
I'm ready to go. This is a cramped campground.
Yeah, cramped campground, and we are off to Quartzsite, Arizona for the 2019 RV show. Can't wait to get down there and meet some of you guys, which is going to be really fun. So let's hit the road. As we roll out of the Las Vegas 1,000 trails, we just want to say we're not going to film a lot going down there because there's just nothing. We've done it many times. You can see some of our older videos. Yeah, we're going through the middle of the desert. We're not going to hit Laughlin, or really the only towns we're going to hit are going to be Searchlight and Parker. So not much to see there. We'll fire this thing back up when we get into Quartzsite.
Oh my God, we have not done this in so long. It just feels weird to travel, to be on the road. It just feels so good.
And both of us got a little cough tickle thing going on here.
You know, the seasonal stuff.
Yeah. So.
He got it first, and then I got.
Oh yeah, sure. Blame it on me.
Always.
Always. Like most small towns in America, the police in Searchlight have nothing better to do, so take your time going through town, slow down, relax, and enjoy the ride. As we roll into Vidal Junction, California, you can see the importance of the Gas Buddy app. $4.39 a gallon here, and just 18 miles down the road in Parker, Arizona, gas is $2.39. All right, we made it. We are here in Quartzsite. Whoop, whoop. We got Tom and Faye are here. They got the beaver out. Check this guy out. You might recognize him.
Tag team back again. What's up? It's gonna be insane.
This is gonna be a lot of fun this week. We have got a big meetup planned. We've got campfires planned every single night. We got our buddy from Las Vegas, Chuck. He's over there. You might not be able to see his rig because of the sun, but he's over there. Check this one out. Look at that.
It's Lulu from the Fifth Element.
Yeah, the Fifth Element lady.
Lilu. Just kidding.
Lilu. So this is going to be fun. Quartzsite is going to be a blast, and we're going to bring you guys along with us. We'll go check out the big tent in a couple of days. We're here a little bit early. We're just going to hang out, so should be fun. The next day it was time for our meetup, so we got out the drone to capture some of the event, both before and after. We had an amazing time, and we are truly grateful for everyone who got a chance to come out and hang out with us. Good morning, everybody. It is the day after our meetup here at the 29 Quartzsite. Yeah, it's morning. 29 Quartzsite meetup, and not too many are stirring this morning yet. But this was the scene of the chaos last night, and we did the RV Icebreakers game. We had an amazing crowd of people here last night. Again, I can't express enough how much we appreciate our viewers in the community here at TME, the Motorhome Experiment. And it's amazing. Uh-oh, my kettle's going off and I'm gonna wake up Lori. All right, kettle was going off. Wake up Lori. That won't be good. Waking the sleeping bear. Where was I? Amazing viewers. We've got amazing viewers, amazing community. And we've had a great time here in Quartzsite so far. The show actually starts today, so we can't wait to get over there. We're not gonna go to the show this morning or today because it's gonna be chaos. We're gonna let that play out and then we'll go in the next couple of days. Today we're gonna head over to the Desert Bar. So we'll probably take you guys over there and show you a little bit of that. It's a little pop-up bar that happens every winter, but thanks to everyone that came out. Absolutely incredible time. I had an absolute blast. I think everybody else had a good time. Hopefully they did. We want to do more meetups like that because it was just so much fun and got everybody involved, and we got to know you guys a little bit more, which is more important to us than the other way around. So just remember to, again, as we said last night, make sure you live more, love more, hug your significant other every day, and maybe even hug a stranger or two, because it'll make the world a better place. So I'm gonna get some editing done here this morning, and then we'll get ready to head off to the Desert Bar. Should be fun.
Yeah, that's what we're waiting. The first, when they use up my birthday.
Your Majesty. Oh, how you doing?
Last year we did because I thought we had some rest filming. Really?
We are all getting ready to head out to the Desert Bar. We're rolling out with the Snowdens.
They're just there for decoration, right?
I don't know if we can trust these Canadians to get us there, but we're gonna try it. The Nellie E Saloon is a 45-mile drive north of Quartzsite, but there is a 5-mile dirt road off of 95 that you have to travel, so make sure you have an appropriate vehicle, or do what our friend George did and destroy somebody's rental car. All right, we're all out here at the Desert Bar. See the whole gang's here. Well, not the whole gang, but a large majority of folks are here. Lori's here. Let me get on the other side of you where you can see Lori. Oh, shit. I just beat Lori in the head with the camera. Sorry, baby. Just whacked her in the head.
That was by mistake.
That was by mistake. But we're heading up to the Desert Bar now. Should be fun.
It's known for off-roading, and they're not kidding about that. You have to have a high-clearance vehicle coming, but it's like an oasis, like in the middle of the desert. So let's check it out.
We made it out here to the Desert Bar. We've had food. Now we're gonna hike up to the top and check it out. Kind of work off some of that beer battered pretzel and stuff. Okay, Lori, once again, I'm not wearing appropriate footwear.
No, you're wearing flip-flops.
Yeah. This is my hiking shoes.
Oh, we're burning that celery I ate.
Deb and Randy, you making it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We got you. We're providing your soft landing if you fall.
On the way out of the Desert Bar, our friends Kim and Susan were nice enough to allow us to ride back with them so we could check out their Jeep. And Kevin showed us that we're still number one with him. The next day started with Laura giving a cooking class with her absolutely beautiful assistant, Lorena.
All right. Next, we're gonna do the marinated pan-fried tofu.
You can also bake this in the oven, but I have something in the oven already. We're gonna pan fry it, and I'm also not gonna use any oil in the pan. This has been marinating overnight. The original recipe that I'd found called for sesame oil, and if you use oil, you can use that. But I go straight to the source. This tahini is just ground up sesame seeds.
Okay, we're doing the tofu cooking thing here. So we're gonna come over and interview some of these guys that normally wouldn't try this, that are braving this out. So we're gonna interview them. All right, Kim, what do you think of the tofu scramble?
I love it.
Anything you had before? Have you eaten that before?
Never. I couldn't even spell it till today.
That's awesome. All right, Bob, you wouldn't normally eat tofu. What do you think?
I'd go for it again.
Awesome. This guy here doesn't eat anything like this. George, what do you think of the tofu?
This is pretty good. It's actually really, I mean, I've got a problem with the consistency.
Right, right.
And this does not have that consistency.
Awesome.
Yeah.
This is the peanut butter tofu?
Yeah.
Peanut butter tofu here.
Tofu scramble almost gone.
Tofu scramble is almost gone. I don't think anybody liked that. Young lady, what did you think of the tofu scramble?
I really liked it. It's
Awesome,
good.
awesome. Art, what did you think of the tofu?
It was excellent. Excellent. Very good. I enjoyed it. Thank you.
All right, that's what we had.
Exactly.
We are here at one of our nightly campfire discussions. We got everybody here watching the blood moon. You can't see it because it's an eclipse, but it is up there. Awesome, absolutely amazing. And the fire is awesome.
Oh, you know.
We are finally getting over to the big tent together.
Well, we went like for just 10 minutes the other day, just like a quickie.
That is right. We had a quickie the other day?
We just went very quickie.
All right, cool. And now we're gonna head over there and see if we can't get ourselves a couple more solar panels. Ready?
And a table.
And a table. And what else?
Maybe something else. And a sugar glide.
No sugar gliders.
They're so cute.
They are cute. Are you ready for the chaos, Lori?
A little bit. And for negotiations. Let's see.
The Big Tent in Quartzsite is a combination of RV products and stuff that you will never use in an RV, but we would calculate that to be about 60% RV products and 40% other. They have spas, for crying out loud.
The only problem with the big tent is they will let just about anybody in here.
Anybody. You always look so scary doing that. So, Finn and I already purchased something. We did our first purchase. What was it, Faye? It was the nap strap. Just to zip our bags, any chip bags or broccoli bags or anything like that. So we're gonna check them out. We will let you know. But if you have the little Paul, what is that we shop now?
Now we renewed our Passport America.
I mean, as you can tell, like behind us, it's not like it's a mystery, I guess.
This big tent costs money. It's crazy.
The whole free Quartzsite boondocking, not so free.
Not so free.
So, but we're gonna use it.
Yes, we'll make money off this. Oh, we won't make money off this.
Money.
We'll save money by buying. I always hate that. Save money by buying stuff.
You save it.
Yeah, we're gonna save money.
Okay. Give us some moves, Cap. Oh.
All right, now it's Lori's turn.
Ask me a question.
How's it feel, Lori?
Like everything wiggles. Okay, guys, are we getting one of this?
Yeah, so what we're thinking about doing is we're going to take out the dinette. This will go right in there perfectly, fit between the dinette and the couch.
Seriously, this is an RV show.
We don't know what they're putting in the ice cream in Quartzsite, but people were lined up 10 deep to get them some. We elected to skip the ice cream line and head over to Beer Bellies, Quartzsite's adult daycare center, for some live music and drinks with friends.
It's easier we go that way. Yeah. Yeah, let's go that way.
You ready to get this party started?
Quickly.
Wind up in somebody's lap. Tom over here is going to get lithiumized. The old batteries here, the lead acids are about to go, and all the new Battleborns are about to go in. Ooh. Last night around the campfire, Lori.
It's a small campfire,
well, so
like a very intimate.
Yeah, very.
I need a little solar on my RV. You want to stick around like a couple of days?
Yeah, there you go. Chuck and Kevin and Laura, of course, and Terry, and I forgot his wife's name, sorry, Renee. And we have Vicky and Bob. We have Faye and Tom and Karen all around the campfire for the last night. And that's Fred in there, the fire. Yes, he's dead. That's a nice fire there for the last night. Quartzsite 2019 is coming to a close.
What did Fred do?
All right, it is time to shut it down for the 2019 Quartzsite RV Show, Lori.
Time to go. So sad, but it was so cool. Like, so many people came to hang out and share the stories and just be by the campfire. I mean, it was just pretty amazing.
Absolutely incredible. All of you guys who showed up and got to come out and hang out, absolutely enjoyed every single one of you. Okay, maybe there was a couple we didn't, but for the most part, we enjoyed every single one of you guys, and we had a lot of fun sitting around the campfire. And yeah, we look forward to doing it another year. I don't know if we'll do it next year or not.
Probably not, but we will come back another year.
But we will come back another year. So this is it for us from the 2019 Quartzsite RV Show, and this is it for us for this video.
Yes.
Cool. So if this is your first time here, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to the channel, maybe like the video. And I stole Lori's line, so what else do they need to do?
Subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again in the next one. We'll pick it up from down somewhere around Yuma.
Like the video, guys.
Let's do it.
Bye.
Vegan RVs ready to roll out? We're ready to roll out.
Like always, waiting for us.
Tom and Faye are ready to roll out in the Beaver.
Time to go.